today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for Python scripts. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from an idea to a working Python file using clear prompts and a smooth workflow. First, log into ChatGPT and open a fresh chat to start a new coding session. I like to set the stage right away by telling the model we're working in Python. You can mention your operating system and Python version if you know them, because that context helps ChatGPT tailor its answers. If you plan to use a specific IDE, such as VS Code or PyCharm, say so. This makes it easier to get setup tips that match your environment. Next, clearly state your goal and your environment. Be direct about what you want the script to do and which libraries you prefer. For example, you might say, write a Python script to scrape a website using Beautiful Soup, or create a data cleaning script with pandas. If you need the script to follow certain patterns, like being a command line tool, a single function you can import, or a well-commented script, spell that out. If you want installation guidance, ask for it explicitly by requesting pip install commands for any external libraries. Now specify your requirements. Define the inputs and outputs as concretely as possible. If the input is a CSV file, describe where it will live and what columns it includes. If the output is a cleaned Excel sheet, a JSON file, or a printed summary, say exactly what you expect to see. Clarify edge cases, such as how to handle missing values or malformed rows, and whether you want logs or progress messages. If performance or readability matters, mention those priorities. The more precise your constraints are, the better the first draft of code will be. When you're ready, send your full prompt to ChatGPT. Read the response, and if the structure or approach isn't quite right, ask for revisions before you copy the code. Then copy the final code into your IDE. VS Code or PyCharm both work well. Make sure you're using the correct Python interpreter, install any required libraries with pip, and save the file with a .py extension. Run the script and watch the output. If you hit an error, paste the traceback back into ChatGPT and describe what you expected. Ask for a fix, a brief explanation, and if helpful, simple tests or sample data to validate the script. Iterate until it runs cleanly and produces the exact output you defined. That's the complete flow for using ChatGPT to generate reliable Python scripts, from prompt to production-ready code.